Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. Just working on my 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's the same on the Twin, the Volkswagen Routain. This probably goes up to the newest one, 2020 or 2019. This has been kind of sticking. Sometimes it's kind of hard to open. It doesn't want to close very well. It should snap closed, really. So there's a little linkage in there. It's not just on a hinge. There's a linkage in there that goes further into the fender. So I thought maybe we can spray something in there, which I did try, and it seemed to help a teeny bit. But not as well as I can. I'm just going to try and show you if you can see the linkage in there or not. So right here, you see there's a pink plastic piece in there that holds the metal rod. You can see the rod a little better there on top. And as this moves, there's the rod there. It goes further into the fender. So to give you an idea, and it goes on an angle like this. So if you could spray, maybe get a straw on some kind of a penetrating oil or something and spray on that angle right into there, that might help. If you can get there far enough. Why, I'm not very good at drawing the arrow, am I? Well, enough of that. Anyway, if you can do that, that might help if you can get it in there far enough. But what I found is it just couldn't spray far enough in there. So I'm going to show you another way you can get at it and get this door to start being a little more free. Now there is a little better shot. All the stuff in the way there. The way this is working is that rod goes in the door. It actually trips a little lock so that when this filler door is open, you can't open the sliding door. What I found is if you can get inside here, take this plastic piece off, and there's 3 push tabs there, which sounds like it's going to be easy. This should come off once they come out of there. I'll put a detailed video on how to remove this piece. And if you watch that, you'll also see how you can save yourself some rust later on. So if we look way up where the filler neck is there, now you can see this rod goes into the rest of the fender. It's actually going towards the door. And as you open your filler door like that, you can see that it's actually moving that rod in there. And what I did is, can't show you how I sprayed it, but I just sprayed in along with the rod there, and then look at this. Works the way it's supposed to. So if you're wondering why it's not opening and closing, if you give it a little spray, hopefully that'll help. Hopefully this video was helpful for you if you've been having trouble with your gas door not closing properly. Mine's been doing that for a while. I tried spraying some stuff in there before, and I found it was easier just to go inside the wheel well, as I showed you how to do that. If you like the video, please give me the thumbs up. You can also subscribe down in the corner. Don't want to forget to, the purpose of that little rod, it goes and locks your sliding rear door from opening while you're filling up with gas. That way, if you had a kid or something, they try and open the door and you're filling it up. Can you imagine if that door opened and knocked the nozzle out of your hand or out of the filler neck? Mayhem could happen. What have we not forgot? Oh, if you have a Grand Caravan, or maybe you're also driving its twin, the Volkswagen Routain, want to get that right, here is a playlist. Right above the blue circle there's a yellow flashing arrow, or at least sure hope there is, and it's pointing you to a card you can click on, and it'll bring you right to the playlist, which probably will help you if you have any more issues. Until next time, I'm Uncle Mark saying thanks for spending a few minutes with me. Bye-bye for now. Please subscribe, and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. And if you have a Grand Caravan or Volkswagen Touareg, Routain, just above the blue circle, that flashing yellow arrow will point ready. And since you have a Grand Caravan or Volkswagen Routain Touring, Rotating.